Yo! Oh!
Yeah, that's perfect. Feeling better than I ever felt. Feeling better than I ever felt. Why, thank you.
I just bought this today. Traxxas Stampede VXL brushless. It was like $350, I think. So, yeah. Oh, forgot to say that I already tried jumping it. That's why it's dirty. We didn't get on video though. Alright, yep, this one starts back here. Oh, failed that one, but yeah.
Yo! Oh! Yo, come on!
Bro, that would have been so
That would have been sick!
If that would have landed, that would have been the best.
It's upside down, bro!
It landed upside down, I think.
It's upside down, bro!
And bent the body. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it off.
All right.
Just send it without the body.
That is not gonna...
Look at his ass. He made it. Hey, turn around real quick. Hey. What he's doing right now is putting water in the front tires so that way maybe the front will stay down because it's only a two-wheel drive.
So it basically was fine, and then it hit.
This is what happened trying to jump it. The shock broke. Oh, it's actually bent. You can see it right there. So probably gonna get new shocks right now. Also, the knuckle broke right here. I thought it was just this plastic piece on the arm, but no, the knuckle actually broke. So we're gonna go back to the hub and see if they have some upgraded ones and put those on.
And then we're gonna get a four-wheel drive car.
Yeah, also get a four-wheel drive one if this doesn't work. And if they can't fix it with the new shocks in the front and a knuckle, then just get a different one. Alright, boys. Stampede VXL brushless, rear-wheel drive. Didn't make it. Didn't make it. Just went to the Rustler 4x4 VXL brushless. Right now,
Bro, that shit is gas.
this is gonna make the jump. Let him see the jump. We're actually about to move it over here where we had it originally because I don't want to break it on all the cinder block right there. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's take it for a little rip before we do the jump.
No, it's
That way
already
we could enjoy it if it breaks.
Bro.
Woo.
Still not charging?
No, it's good. It's a...
We're definitely making the jump this time, boys. It's real nice. Oof. Traxxas, sponsor me. I'm gonna buy this stuff anyways, but sponsor me.
Here's new.
Nice.
Oh, well,
Good as new, right?
That's tough.
well, I thought, you know, our problem is probably when it hits the ramp, it's not, it's just going directly into it. So let's make it an easier or even gradual. Yeah, gradual flow. So it's not like a steep slant.
Alright, just put a fresh battery in it. Fresh ramp. We're gonna try the new setup. Fresh ground.
No!
Shock's busted right now. Gonna have to go to the and we're probably gonna have to complete the jump tomorrow, but that one was pretty close. I'll get a shock on the way home tonight. The big bore ones from Traxxas. And then tomorrow we'll be back at it and we'll make it. I just realized that we're running a 2S LiPo battery, which it doesn't put out as much power as the 3S. So tomorrow we're gonna get a 3S LiPo battery, 6,000 plus milliamp hours, and we're gonna put it in the Stampede and throw the high-speed gear on it and see if it'll jump it. The Rustler, I'm not sure yet because it's newer, nicer than that one, so I don't know if I want to full send it yet and break it like crazy. No! But if it comes to it and neither of them jump it tomorrow with just the battery and some new shocks, then we might have to. Big bore shocks, Traxxas, 3-cell LiPo. Hopefully we'll get this jump and go home. Tell me when to go, Omar.
Alright, here we go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! No shit! Woo! Let's fucking go!
Alright, we just made the jump. Fucking nighttime jump. That's what's up. Body seems fine. All the fucking shocks seem fine. They held up good. Big bore Traxxas shocks. The stock ones on the front still seem fine. Servo's fine. 3-cell LiPo. And some shocks. That's all it takes, boys. Yeah.
Cock that motherfucker back, Kiwi.
Yep. Yes, sir.
That one might be broken.
Yeah, that one might be dead.